Austin. This is Darlene, your tutor mate partner. Um, I'm trying to record a story for you so that you can read and practice. I hate that we cannot connect like we normally do, but let's try this. Copycat, written by Anne Hart. A boy stood in front of Daniel. Daniel lifted his right leg. The boy lifted his left leg. "Copycat," said Daniel. Daniel raised his left arm. The boy raised his right arm. "Copycat," said Daniel. Daniel stuck his tongue out at the boy. The boy stuck his tongue out at Daniel. "Copycat," said Daniel. Daniel clapped his hands. The boy clapped his hands. "Copycat," said Daniel. Daniel twirled in a circle. The boy twirled in a circle, too. "You are such a copycat," Daniel said. "Daniel," Grandma called, "are you playing in front of the mirror again?" Okay, that's the end of the story. And I want you to go over some of the questions. Think about, what does Daniel do first? Second, what does Daniel call a copycat? Sorry, what who does Daniel call a copycat? Third, who asked Daniel a question in the story? Fourth, what does Daniel not do in the story?